Today we'll be showing you how to build the Amelia table. For the purpose of the construction video, we'll be using an Amelia 145. They all build the same, they just come in different sizes. If you've bought party ends, stick with us until the end of the video and we'll show you how to fit them. With the Amelia table kit, you'll get a tabletop, a pair of pre-made legs, the separation central bar, two diagonals for the underneath, a stopper for the top of the table, and a bag of fixings. In the Amelia fixings pack, you'll receive 4 long zinc bolts, a torque drive piece, 4 short stainless steel screws and 8 long stainless steel screws. You'll need a 13mm spanner, and a rubber mallet and an electric screwdriver are useful but not compulsory. Place the tabletop on a proper height workbench or other table. Match the symbols or numbers on the legs and place them inside the support bar on the tabletop. Note there's a tenon hole inside. Match the numbers again. With the second piece, put it at an angle. This will enable you to put the crossbar in. Again, on the crossbar, there are marks to indicate which way up or down the crossbar should be fitted. You see here how easy it is to line them up. Next, we take the bolts. These are pre-drilled. Push them all into place and give them a tap with the rubber mallet, which will pinch them into their position. Try to put the washers and the nuts on at the same time. Tighten them up to finger tight and finish them off with a spanner, but beware of over tightening as you can easily crush the wood in this process. And do exactly the same process on the other side for the other leg. Use the 4 short stainless steel screws to secure the tenon and then firmly drill them down. When applying screws to the outside of this furniture, try not to over tighten as you can crush down into the wood very easily, particularly with electrical screwdrivers. Then do exactly the same the other side. The crossbeam braces have matching letters. Make sure that you line them up properly as they are fitted uniquely to each side. Very important with these to not over tighten the screws, as not only will they crush down into the wood, but they may also split it. Once you've put all the screws into their places, repeat the process on the opposite side. Fitting the party end is quite straightforward. You need to take it and offer it up on the outside of the leg. Take a pencil and mark where it meets with a straight line you can easily see, and do the same thing on the other side. Next, we fit the support bar using the 4 stainless screws. You'll need to make sure that the bar itself doesn't come above the line you've just drawn, or the party top won't fit in. Having lined it up, apply a bit of pressure and drill it firmly in place. Once you've done one screw on each side, the second screws go in more easily as you're not supporting the bar. After you've fitted the bar, offer the party end up and make sure it slides in smoothly. And then repeat the whole process on the other side of the table. Once both pieces are in place, it should be a straightforward motion to lift this up and slide it gently onto the two bars, like that. Pepe garden furniture is pressure treated. This process can leave batten marks, as you see here, but they weather in over time. We recommend that you use the furniture protector provided with every kit in ½ litre, 1 litre or 2.5 litre tins, depending on the size of the item. This should be applied every 2 to 3 years, depending on exposure, evenly to the outside. Concentrate a little bit more on the end grains and the end of the legs for this darker finish. So there's your Amelia table. Whatever the size, they're easy to build, and all that remains now is to set the places and have an occasion.